Hey guys, this is Gavin from GK Farms. Today I'm going to talk about our precipitation. It's been a little while since I made a video, so I'm going to start off with this part and work my way up there. So when it rains, it was rain last week, my pasture will flood from, let me see it, that fence post all the way that whole section, and then it'll come out there and work its way back to that ditch. So you can see some water in here, and it's raining pretty good. It rained pretty good today. And it was hot, and now that we're reaching fall, this is a little bit normal for cold starts to hit. There's a chance of frost this weekend. But you can see the water here, and there's not a bunch in there because the grass soaks it up right now. But if it rains hard again, which misty off there, so it will rain again. Plus there's clouds. So you can see water there and water there. It's just because it's rain and old. So it'll probably flood later tonight, if I had to guess. So I'm going to move on to what I wanted to say next, showing you some water. The reason this pasture overflows, even though it will, is this right here. This is not my field, but there's a towel line, and it's from there up to there. So like a pipe tube thing up there. And the drain will stop because there's so much water, and it'll keep raining. It will overcome over here and go right where that water is and start running. So I think it will, because it's pretty deep. You know, I went out there later and that was up and now it's gone. So the drain right there is gone. It's not there right now. So just want to talk about the precipitation we've been having and what's going to happen once this water overflows and jumps them into my pasture. So this is Gavin from GK Farms. I'll see y'all next time.